If you notice, it's a lot darker so that you can actually see into the microwave. So let's throw a pencil in here. Figure out why this is not level. There we go. Microwave is set. Let's see, how long should we cook this for? Oh yeah. Whoa! We have fire. I think it's mostly wood smoke. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna need to be carried outside to be opened. I'll show you that later. Okay, so I have it near the door. You can kind of see smoke coming out the back. That's not any of the electronics in the microwave. Now let's open it. Whoa, holy shoot. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Glad I opened this next to the door. And there's the pencil. So yeah, don't do that. So it's cooled down enough that I can actually look at the pencil closely, and it auto adjusts. So you can clearly see here that where the actual eraser top was, it burnt all the heck, and then it followed the glue seam. So I think what happened is that the glue caught on fire, and then that caught the rest of it on fire because the graphite in it is a semiconductor, meaning that it doesn't completely conduct electricity, but it does conduct some, so it got really, really hot. And so it just burned the crap out of the pencil. But you can also see some blistered paint on here, which is why now you can see some blistered paint on here, which is why I had to open this pretty much outside. Oh my gosh. Yeah, don't do that.